try to get a picture of the
Turn left, Turnpike Square, then turn left.
Of the whole line up here. Unfortunately, some have been replaced, which is par for the course at this point, but look at this garbage parking lot. It's in horrible condition. I'll just try to get a picture like this.
After 300 feet, turn right, Turnpike Square, then turn left. Turn right, Turnpike Square, then turn left.
There's got to be so much suspicious security camera footage of me out there just taking pictures of streetlights.
After 300 feet, turn right, then take the second left.
That's pretty cool. I'll have to try to come back here at night sometime. I wonder if the rest of the lights are...
Turn left, then turn right.
Yeah, they might be still. There's nothing but back here.
After 1/4 mile, turn left, then take the third right.
That's an old light there, I guess. Who knows if it's working anymore? There might be a sodium one there. It's an old, potentially sodium light.
After 600 feet, turn left, then take the third right.
These are kind of neat old lights.
Turn left, then take the third right.
Nah, it looks like DEO retrofit to me. That's unfortunate.